Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am excited to walk you through how we can bring structure, control, and collaboration in Power BI semantic model development using Git version control. So let's dive in. So why version control for Power BI models? So Power BI has become a go-to tool for business intelligence, but managing changes to data sets and models has always been a challenge. This is where Git comes in, bringing the same disciplined version control that developers use into our BI workflows. It ensures traceability, accountability, and peace of mind in teams. Current challenges with version control: imagine multiple developers are making changes to a Power BI semantic model file without Git. We will have the risk of overriding each other's works, losing the previous versions, having no visibility into what has changed or why. Reverting mistakes become really time consuming and collaborations become chaotic. So benefits of using Git in Power BI semantic model is that with Git, we gain consistent tracking of changes, easier rollbacks, peer reviews via pull requests, improved team collaboration. It transforms how we manage our data models from reactive to proactive and organized. So we have like Microsoft has introduced .pbip format to break the monolithic PBX file into separate folders, datasets, reports, and metadata, which now can be tracked like more efficiently. This is a game changer for true version control. Power BI now supports Git integration. With a few clicks, we can connect a workspace to a Azure DevOps Git repo. This allows seamless sync between the workspace and the repository, enabling us to manage versions directly from the Power BI portal. So here is a typical workflow how it looks like. Like developers works on the local PBX copy using Visual Studio Code, commit changes and sync the workspace. This helps to validate the changes, merges, ensures everyone on the same page, literally and technically. So like this is a holistic idea, like when a user works on a particular PBIP file, the code on the left, and when the what is the there in the original main repository, the user tries to merge the branch. When pushing, each change is tracked by a git branch, child branch, and the main source code is in the main branch. So whenever user tries to merge the one branch to the to child branch to a main branch, it commits changes to the main file. So that is something which is there with the git. So also, the workspace, Power BI workspace now have Azure DevOps integrated into it. Now we can manage the Git version control using our Power BI workspace. This is a screenshot of Power BI service workspace. So here we will define our project, the Git repository, the branch, the Git folder name. You'll see the Git integration option in the workspace settings in Power BI. A user has submitted a committed or committed a change in Power BI semantic model which is being published. So the user will be able to see the source control, like that these are the changes which are not yet synced with the data model. It will show a source control too, like there are two changes which needs to be synced with the latest git file. We can change the source control from Power BI service as well. We can switch the branch, main branch to a child branch. So child branch is something where we make changes and name that branch. So basically, in short, we are naming that change, and that helps us to reuse that branch in future. So it is really helpful for version controlling. When we sync changes to our main data model, we get the git status as synced and no further action is required. It shares the last data synced date. That means the changes have been synced. So whenever we get something in this source control option, that means someone has created a new branch for a new change. It is a team collaboration work, so no one can will be able to override each or other's works in Power BI service. It helps in collaborative team efforts, like how Git is used for other software development. Similarly, it is used for Power BI semantic model or report development. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.